I've got a spare one. How much?
Yes, you monster! You know jolly well this is our organic butter and they go in the head office and they put it up. Right, I'm so posh. I'm going downstairs to go and get my stuff. I'm going to come down and just come from my room. Now where is it? It's under my bed. Right, boys, go. Right, here we go. Here we are, boys and girls. My stuff. Now, let's see what you got for me. Do you think I should give them a really big slap on the nose? There is a really, really, really big slap on the nose. Right, really, we're going to introduce to one and that lady over there on the deck. Yeah, right, bend over. Right. Right, now get that rocker in the air. Rocker in the air. Like a bum. Oh no, I think it's just the tip of the iceberg. Anyway, let's get on with it. Right, here we go. Here's one for me, it's one for the baby, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that was it. Try to do it. Hey, ladies. That's what we can do right now. Alright, you got me on the pressure. Give me a up. Let's just shake the way. Yeah, nice. Now, put the gun. I'm just going to go on the front of the seat out. Come and see you on the desk. Music, boys and girls. Shall I? You know how to make it.